What's the meaning of compiler? Compiler. Compiler.
Compiler. Compiler. A compiler is a computer program that translates source code written in a high-level programming language into machine code that can be understood and executed by a computer. The process of compilation involves several stages, including lexical analysis, syntax analysis, semantic analysis, code generation, and optimization. The result of compilation is an executable program, which can be run on the target system without requiring the presence of the original source code. Compilers are an essential tool in software development, as they enable programmers to write code in a familiar language and have it translated into efficient, machine-readable instructions.